But the big thing that you're getting with this, because it's an automotive system, is the accessories. This is pretty much the only pressure washer on the market to offer a Shorty gun out of the box. None of the other companies are doing that. So you're getting the Ryobi Shorty gun right out of the box. You're also getting a 40-degree tip, a 25-degree tip, and a 15-degree tip, and they have the nozzle covers, which is something that a lot of people like, because that way if you hit this against your vehicle, you're not gonna scratch it or anything like that. It's got a little bit of rubber around it, so that's pretty cool too. So that's 2 pluses. You're also gonna get a lance with this, and it has a curve to it. And that's really helpful when you're trying to wash something really tall or underneath to get that curve. Most of them are straight, so again, they thought about the automotive market here, which is great.